Is a mattress protector sufficient in maintaining a clean mattress? Welcome back to our channel where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks for maintaining your home. Today we'll be discussing whether a mattress protector is sufficient in maintaining a clean mattress. Mattress protectors are an essential accessory for any bed, but are they enough to keep your mattress clean and hygienic? In this video, we'll explore the benefits of using a mattress protector and whether it's enough to maintain a clean mattress. Using a mattress protector has many benefits, including protecting your mattress from spills, stains, and allergens. They also help extend the life of your mattress by reducing wear and tear. However, using a mattress protector alone is not enough to maintain a clean mattress. Mattress protectors are not designed to prevent the buildup of dirt, dust, and sweat on your mattress. Over time, these contaminants can accumulate on your mattress, causing unpleasant odors and potentially triggering allergies. Regular cleaning of your mattress is necessary to remove these contaminants and keep your mattress clean and hygienic. To maintain a clean mattress, you should vacuum your mattress regularly to remove any surface debris. It's also important to rotate your mattress every few months to ensure even wear and tear. Additionally, you should consider having your mattress professionally cleaned every 6 to 12 months to remove any deep-seated contaminants that may be lurking within the mattress. Conclusion: using a mattress protector is an important step in maintaining the longevity of your mattress and protecting it from spills and stains. However, it is not enough to maintain a clean and hygienic mattress. Regular cleaning and maintenance, including vacuuming, rotating, and professional cleaning, are necessary to keep your mattress free from contaminants and smelling fresh. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks for maintaining your home.